we're just gonna spray the mag and wire on the towel. Gonna clean off the plastic. This is chrome plated plastic. It's not gonna hurt it, so, but it's gonna help break up all that calcium. And it's not gonna hurt the paint. We're gonna try and keep it off the paint if we can, but if you get a little on the paint, it's fine, it's not gonna hurt it. And we can let it sit there and react for a few minutes, or not a few minutes, for a few seconds. See, it's kind of hazing up. Neutralize it, and now we have a fresh, clean surface to put the Pipe Dream chrome polish on.
Looks brand new.
Looks brand new.